Well, Paulie decided he wants to explore the perch. So, he went nuts on this. He had a lot of nuts there and seeds, so he just spread them all about, cockatoo style. Then he swung that all about.
Fluffy slime.
There we go. And now he is trying to take these things out of the branches. Whatever is going through his little mind. Oh my God.
Max!
There goes the dog.
Max!
And here we have him. Paulie at his best. Cockatoo style. All right. Yeah. What in the world is that? I put the bird house there for him. So he wants to go down. Sorry, Paulie. You're too short for that. I think we need to place there. Give it to him. He wants the bottom.
He's going down.
He can't reach. He's too short. Then he's not going to be able to go back up, Bella.
There you go. He got it. He got it.
Oh my God. So he did. You're too short, Paulie.
That makes him stretch, Mama.
Yeah. I gotcha.
Whoa. There he goes. There goes the bottle. Whee! Give him those things, the colorful ones. Oh my God. Is he examining the table to see?
Please.
Oh, please, thank you. Here we go. Here we go. Going down. That's it. He goes down faster than he came up. Of course. He's going to continue that little work the little birdies did at the pet shop. No. Okay.
Mama, wait. They sold it to you like that?
Yeah. It was not supposed to be with us, though.
They shouldn't have sold you that. Or did they discount
They
you on
sell this. No. The discount is it was free. This is sold for that alone. And since I asked, they didn't even add anything on it, so. Ooh, Paulie! Wow, you do have an attitude, huh? You're only little in size.
He's a potato. Not a short potato.
He's trying to find. Whoa. Here goes the dog. Oh my God. Paulie, you're going to destroy that table.
All dogs eating.
Are you serious? Throwing everything down. Paulie, listen.
Stop her.
Excuse me. Leave those things on the table. Here we go. There goes your nut.
No.
I swept all that floor for you. I cleaned it so nicely, Paulie. Unbelievable. Hey, what's up? Leave it alone. No. Anybody gonna get a splinter there? I'm going to call you Mad Paulie. All right, Popo. Cheerios, Cheerios. Are you serious? He's scratching himself. Paulie, what's up? What you doing? Look, what's that? Ooh, a little doggy on the picture. He hates animals on pictures. Remember that little kitty he saw? He went bizarre on it. So you want the things that are on the floor. Well, I got news for you. You did that. Bella, don't do that. Don't destroy it. I'm going to take it that you like this. You like your new table, huh, Paulie? You decorated it to your likings. Oh, no, my plants. Not my plants. It's not part of the plan. Okay. So much for decorating around it. That's my answer. All right, Paulie, say bye-bye, crazies. I am going to decorate some more. See what else I can take apart from here, right? Okay.